Okay, today we're going to take a look at the favorite part of my collection, which is a double. And the first part of this is an old one. This is the license to carry small arms Zippo with the T-Rex black matte finish, made in D of 18 or April of 18. I think I got this in May of 18, which is about 2 years ago. Really good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a quick drop test on this little T-Rex, the first one. So there's the first T-Rex passing the drop test. Now the second one, a friend of mine from New Hampshire stopped by and gave me this one. It also says above the barcode, license to carry design. It's a genuine Zippo made in Bradford, PA. And you can see it's the same design. And it was also made in 18, but it was G of 18. That is July, I think it's July. Same design, same good sound. Lights up nice. Let's do a drop test on the new one. So that one passes nicely. So like I said, that's one of my favorite types of additions I like in my collection. Two T-Rexes. Definitely deserve a little cowbell. And maybe even a little more cowbell. Knuckle bump.